Welcome back everyone. This is a Florence Pugh inspired updo. Just part your hair on one side and then part it again from your temple all the way to the back on the heavier side. Then just take some of these goodie clips and part your hair away. Then you're going to take the back part and you're going to pull it up into a high pony. Now I'm just going to add some of this Aveda gel just to kind of smooth the back up a little bit and also the ponytail part. Just comb up the back to make sure it's nice and sleek. She's known for her sleek buns. Then you're going to take it and twist rather tightly. As you twist around, you're going to pull up on the base of the bun. We're going to make a tall and a rather slender bun. So as you twist on the bottom part, you're going to pull up on the base of the bun. Now you're going to wrap the ends around on the inside, and then I'm going to take my favorite bobby pins by Frenchie's. They are soft and lightweight and very fuzzy, so they're not going to slip out halfway during the day. Then take some more gel and just smooth out the top of your hair. Now we're going to begin at the back of this piece of hair that you have. We're going to make a Dutch braid. Start by taking a 1/4 inch size piece and just beginning braiding under. Once you have the first few stitches going, you're going to start adding pieces. You're going to add small pieces, not huge ones. Just make sure that you're going to get a few stitches out of this piece of hair. Add on both sides. Again, you're going to take little pieces. Make sure you're not grabbing huge pieces, otherwise it won't look the same. If you want to learn how to Dutch braid, I'll link a video below on step-by-step how to Dutch braid. Once you run out of hair, you're just going to do a 3-strand braid all the way down to the end. And as you're going, you want to just like take the braid on the top and just pull it apart just a little bit. Then just add an elastic at the end. Now you're going to smooth out the hair, and now we're going to go up in front of the bun, cross it around the back of the bun, and then you're going to pull the end of the hair underneath the top part of the braid. And then just tuck it underneath. Depending on how long your hair is, you might want to do that one more time. Now take the braid and turn it kind of sideways toward the bun and add a bobby pin. Then just brush up the ends and you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you.